Ever wonder which SUVs could cost you more headaches than they're worth? You might think you've found a great deal, but hold on. There are some SUVs that you should avoid at all costs. So in this video, we are going to dive into the top 6 SUVs you should never buy and save yourself from expensive mistakes. Number 1. Buick Encore, 2012 to 2022. First on the list is the Buick Encore, specifically models from 2012 to 2022 equipped with the 1.4-liter Ecotec turbo engine. This SUV has left many owners shaking their heads in frustration. Turbo issues are a recurring nightmare, with some vehicles needing their third replacement in just a few short years. One owner had to replace the turbo twice, and the bill for a new one? A staggering $2,000 to $3,000 every time. Not only that, the Buick Encore also suffers from battery and charging system issues. Even if you fix it, the problem often reappears. So it's best to avoid this SUV at all costs. Number 2, Jeep Patriot and Compass, 2006 to 2017. Up next is the Jeep Patriot and Compass from 2006 to 2017. While Jeep has its loyal fans, these models are notorious for being unreliable. The biggest issue? Their CVT transmissions. It's not uncommon for owners to replace the transmission 2 or even 3 times by the time the SUV hits 120,000 miles. And it doesn't stop there. The engine itself is underpowered and loud, making the driving experience less than enjoyable. The interior doesn't fare much better either. It's made with cheap materials that quickly wear out. If you want a reliable SUV, these Jeeps are far from it. Number 3. Ford Expedition and Excursion, with 5.43 valve engine. Next on the list is the Ford Expedition and Excursion with the 5.4-liter 3-valve engine. The issues with this engine are so bad that some people are still paying the price for ignoring the warnings. Customers often think they found a good deal, only to spend thousands on engine repairs soon after purchase. This engine is infamous for cam phaser and oil pressure problems, leading to a total engine failure. Once you hear that ticking noise, it's often too late. Replacing this engine costs around $7,000, and that's after you've been left stranded. This engine is a money pit, so save yourself the trouble and avoid any Ford SUV with the 5.43 valve. Number 4. Jeep Commander, 2006 to 2010. The Jeep Commander from 2006 to 2010 may look tough, but it has a serious problem: leaks. Owners complain that water pours through the sunroof like a waterfall. Even after cleaning the sunroof drains, they tend to clog again after the next rainstorm. But that's not the only issue. The Commander also has major problems with its transfer case, which can fail if the tires are mismatched in size. Add to that constant clunking noises from the differential mounts and hard-to-fix exhaust leaks, and you have a vehicle that's constantly in need of repairs. Avoid this SUV unless you enjoy driving with water dripping on your head. Number 5. Chevy Trailblazer, 2001 to 2008. If you come across a Chevy Trailblazer from 2001 to 2008, keep walking. While the engine may not be its biggest flaw, the rest of the SUV falls apart fast. The interiors of these vehicles are known for being cheaply made, with fabrics and buttons breaking down quickly. The Trailblazer also has HVAC actuators that fail frequently, requiring the entire dash to be taken apart just to fix a tiny plastic part. It's not uncommon for these SUVs to look great on the outside, but as soon as you get in, it's like a disaster zone. Number 6. Chevy Traverse, GMC Acadia, Buick Enclave. Last but certainly not least, we have the Chevy Traverse, GMC Acadia, and Buick Enclave. It doesn't matter which year you're looking at, avoid all of them. These SUVs are plagued with electrical issues. Owners report problems ranging from faulty wiring to malfunctioning sensors, making the vehicle a nightmare to maintain. Not only that, but they also suffer from transmission issues and excessive oil consumption. These problems add up fast, and repair bills can easily skyrocket. So, if you see one of these on the lot, steer clear. It's just not worth the trouble. And there you have it. The top 6 SUVs you should never buy. They may look appealing at first glance, but under the hood, they're hiding a world of problems. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more car buying tips. Stay safe on the road and see you in the next video.